When it comes to boosting the beauty, comfort, and overall value of your home, few upgrades are as impactful as bay window installations. For Redmond homeowners looking to make smart investments in their property, bay windows offer a combination of style and functionality that can truly set a home apart. Whether you're preparing to sell in the future or simply want to enhance your everyday living experience, installing bay windows is a decision that pays off in more ways than one. Enhancing curb appeal. First impressions matter, and bay windows are a standout architectural feature. Unlike standard flat windows, bay windows project outward, giving a home a more dynamic and elegant exterior. From the street, they add dimension and character that potential buyers immediately notice. In Redmond, where neighborhoods blend traditional and modern designs, bay windows complement a variety of home styles. Whether your property has a classic Pacific Northwest look or a more contemporary feel, this upgrade adds timeless charm that increases your home's curb appeal, and by extension, its market value. Expanding interior space. One of the biggest advantages of bay windows is how they create the illusion of more space inside your home. Because they extend outward, they add depth to a room and make interiors feel larger and brighter. Many Redmond homeowners choose bay windows for living rooms, dining areas, or master bedrooms, where the added space creates a cozy reading nook, window seat, or display area. This extra square footage may not technically count toward your home's size, but buyers perceive it as added living space, something that often translates into higher offers when it's time to sell. Flooding rooms with natural light. Bay windows are designed with multiple panels, typically 3 or more, positioned at angles. This configuration allows sunlight to enter from different directions, brightening rooms throughout the day. More natural light means a warmer, more inviting atmosphere and less dependence on artificial lighting. In Redmond, where winters can be long and cloudy, maximizing natural light is a highly desirable feature. Bright, airy spaces feel more welcoming and boost mood, making your home more attractive to prospective buyers and more enjoyable for your family year-round. Improving energy efficiency. Modern bay windows are built with advanced features such as double or triple panes, insulated frames, and low emissivity, low-E, coatings. These innovations help regulate indoor temperatures, keeping homes cooler in summer and warmer in winter. For Redmond homeowners, energy efficiency is not just about comfort, it's also about cost savings. Reduced heating and cooling bills are a strong selling point that adds tangible value to your home. Buyers are increasingly looking for eco-friendly, energy-efficient features, and new bay windows meet that demand beautifully. Boosting home resale value. Ultimately, homeowners want to know how an upgrade will impact their home's value. According to real estate professionals, window replacements, especially premium options like bay windows, offer one of the best returns on investment for remodeling projects. Because bay windows combine aesthetics, functionality, and efficiency, they appeal to a broad range of buyers. When it comes time to sell your Redmond home, this upgrade can help it stand out in a competitive market and command a higher price. Conclusion. A smart investment for Redmond homeowners. Bay window installations are more than just a visual upgrade, they're a practical way to increase comfort, efficiency, and value. From enhancing curb appeal and expanding interior space to improving energy efficiency and boosting resale potential, the benefits are clear. If you're considering home improvements in Redmond, bay windows should be at the top of your list. They provide a timeless design feature that enhances both your daily living experience and your long-term property value. Investing in bay window installation today means enjoying a more beautiful, functional home now and reaping financial rewards when it's time to sell.